I'm Casey with 5 Tons with Guns. Today we're going to do we're going to go over what we did yesterday. At first, we had 4 pounds of solely brass copper tubing cut up into the crucible. You saw the production from yesterday. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to melt down the dross with the last of our copper tubing. And some of the things that did not work out quite completely. And then the mush from that one failed pour when we poured the charcoal to it, and it went to heck. We got 11 pounds here. Now we've got some casualties. Now I noticed a crack on the bottom of this crucible this morning after having done yesterday. Well, I don't know if it's superficial, but I don't think so. I do not see it from the inside. This is what is left of our last plinth that your crucible sets upon. I think we could get one more pour out of this and get rid of all this dross and slag. We're going to add some new copper to it. I think that would be a good idea to do that. And again, we're not going to add any boric acid or borax. If the crucible fails, you're going to see that. But I don't really think it's going to fail. Hang on a second. I want to run out here and put my plinth back on here. We're going to dump this in. The smaller stuff first. Then a layer of new metal. Get as much of the stuff in here as we can. We've got 11 pounds, so we're going to have 2 more pours. Go out here and set this in. Now let's go get started. We'll see what happens. Again, we're going to preheat our lighter pole just on the edge. And when we get to our melt, we'll make a pour and you'll see the results of that pour and also the weight. We'll be right back with you in about 18 minutes.